Hi and welcome to this mini tutorial of ColorJob, a visual project tracking tool designed to help construction companies manage their projects more efficiently. Today, we're going to learn how to build a project. First, you click on the Builder module, then you start by adding a unit to your floor. Then, add a room and the areas you're interested in. You can save this room as a template, and add as many rooms and areas as you want. You can also duplicate units and rename them as needed. Alternatively, you can create a unit from scratch and add the templates you want. Click on Detach to edit this room. Templates can also be edited depending on your needs. Finally, you can create a floor by duplicating an existing one or building a new one from scratch.
Change the status of an area.
First, click on the three dots and select Customize Status. You will see 3 default statuses, but you can create as many as you want. Save your changes and select the areas where you want to add a status. Only in Progress lets you set the completion percentage. As you can see, it's easy to update statuses. You can also adjust the weight of each area, create tasks, add files and comments. And that's how you color your project. When you finish building your project, you can view your work in the Project Progress module. On one screen, you can see the status of each area along with any comments or attached files. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.